Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kingsfx Trader right here. So today I'm going to be sharing something very interesting with you guys. So before we proceed, let me ask this question. So quick one, does psychological levels work on boom and crash? This is exactly the question I got in my comment section, and I've decided to create a full video to answer that question. Okay, so if you're already interested in this and you want to know whether psychological level works on boom and crash or not, and how to trade psychological level, how to draw them and how to trade them, if you are interested in this, please smash that like button for me. Okay, smash that like button for me. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video, just like this one. Okay, so let's proceed. First of all, we have to understand what psychological level is. Okay, simply, psychological level are market price levels, okay, which are often key levels in Forex, denoted by round numbers. Okay, these levels are denoted by round numbers, so we need to check our price levels. Okay, we just need to see those round numbers in our price level. If you look here, so if you look at my right hand side, okay, of the screen, you can see we have these numbers here. Okay, we have these numbers here. If you look closely, we have something like from here now we have 10728.8250. Okay, so this one we have basically this is 10,713. This one is 10,600 and that should be 98.143 and all that. So these are the price levels. Okay, so but there are ones that are not visible, okay, right now. But if you want to get them, you can just use a horizontal line or this cross share right here to pick them. If you look between all these, the visible ones, you have all other levels, okay, other price levels right there. So basically psychological levels are the round numbers. If you look here, we have 658.8308. So we are not looking for this kind of number. We just want to see probably with this on crash, this is crash 1000. So probably on this we are going to be looking at level 10,000. We are going to be looking at level 11,000, 12,000, 5,000, 6,000. So we are just looking for round numbers instead of all these 10,700 and something or 700 and something or 800. We just need to look for only round numbers, and those round numbers and that is the price level, okay, at round numbers are exactly what is known as the psychological level. That is what we are going to be focusing today, guys. So having said this, we dive into it and start seeing those levels, start marking them out, and later we will see how it plays out, then look at how to trade those levels lastly. Okay, so first of all I have to drop this. Okay, so now you just need to pick your horizontal line, but before then you have to switch to a higher time frame in order to get the overview of the price action, in order to get all those lines, okay, correctly. So now what is the role of this psychological level? Before I proceed, psychological level basically plays a vital role. Okay, it is the key level we should be paying attention to. It also serves as support and resistance. Okay, so if you are new to trading and you find it difficult to draw support and resistance, or those dynamic support level and resistance levels to pick your swing highs, swing lows and all that, if you are new to trading and you are finding it difficult to do that, this psychological level is going to help you also, draw a good support and resistance. Okay, now what we need to do now is to switch a higher time frame. So I'm going down to daily time frame. Okay, I will go to, this is 1 day. So once you're in 1 day time frame, or that is daily time frame, you can see my right hand side of this screen. You can see we have those levels and prices here. So I'm going to be looking for just round numbers. Okay, I'm going to be looking for 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 7,000, 6,000. Okay, that's what I'm going to be looking for. So once I see one, I will put my horizontal line there to mark out that level. Okay, all right guys, so to draw this, you just have to look for these whole numbers by picking. If you look at this cross here, you can use it to pick your levels. Okay, but I just likely going to be using, I'll be using this horizontal line. So once I keep this horizontal line, I will be able to check where I have my round numbers. Okay, so I'm basically looking for level 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000 and all that. That's exactly the levels I'm looking for. So now if you look at my right hand side, you can see the number 7 982.8 something something. So I'm going to be looking for 7,000 or something close to 7,000, because if I want to adjust, like now, let me just look for 7,000. So I will scroll down to see. So here I have 7,007. So if you try to get the exact number, it's going to take time, and I don't want this video to be that long. Okay, if I want to adjust to get exact 7,000, it's going to take a lot of time to do that. So if you want, you can do that, but if you get something close, that's what you need. You don't need to get the exact number. Okay, but if you can, good. But if you cannot, just get something close, like you have something close like this one I have here. So let me just adjust this way. Okay, so now I will just look for 6,000. Okay, adjust my line to get 6,000 or something close to 6,000. I have 60. Okay, so I have 6003. So the next one I'm going to be looking for is 5,000. So I have 5. I just need something very close to. I have 5,002. So I'm looking for let me go for 8,000. So just the round number is what we are looking for. Okay, so I have 8,005. So the next one is 9,000. So I adjust the line to get something close to 9,000. Sorry about this. I think it's network. Okay, so I just have to, let me check my time frame again. Daily. So I just have to adjust, look for 9,000. All right. So this, we have something close to 9,000 there. All right, then the next point we are going to be dropping is 10. We look for 10,000. We drag, we have 10,000 there. Then 11,000. We have 11,000. Maybe we just put 12,000, which is the last one we are going to put for now. This is 12,000. Okay, I just have to leave it here. 12,000, right? So now we are done with picking those levels. Okay, we are done picking those levels. So remember, I went to a higher time frame. This is daily time frame. Okay, so always twist to a higher time frame to make it more easier for you to pick those levels. So after picking the levels, okay, we have a 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, and 12,000. Okay, these are the psychological levels we can see using the price action right now. Okay, the current price action. So what we need to do now is that we need to go down to maybe our favorite time frame or a lower time frame, like 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and see how the price reacts to those lines, and see how to take advantage of this psychological level to make entry. Okay, so now if you look here, let me just switch to maybe let me start with 4 hours time frame. Okay, so this 4 hour time frame, guys. So if you look here, you can see how the price react to these levels. Okay, you can see how the price react to these levels. Here, from here, the price tested this level. Okay, bounce back, serving as resistance right there. Okay, and at this point the price broke that level. Okay, you can see the price break away from that level and keep going up. So my mentees, people who pass through my mentorship program should know the reason why this thing happened. So but let me just explain. We have a healthy candlestick approaching this level. So once you have this kind of healthy candlesticks coming close to your support, resistance, or any of your zone, okay, and you are not seeing any reaction, the momentum is high, we have a lot of people buying, they will probably they are going to push this price. Okay, they are going to move this price to the upside. They will not respect that zone because we have a lot of people buying. If you look at the candlestick formation, you will know that we have a lot of buyers here. So there is no reaction, there is no trade. Okay, remember, we don't just guess what will happen. We don't guess the next move of the price. we react to the price action. So whatever the price action do, we follow. Okay, now at this zone, we know the reason why this did not happen. There's no the line did not play out right here. So here it serves as resistance, here it serves as resistance, here it serves as resistance. So once the price come close to our psychological level, we just wait for the price to react at that zone for us to take decision of going short or long, depending on whether the price is serving as resistance or support. Okay, so you can see how the price respect these lines. If you shift back, you can see how the price respected here. Okay, so we have this our price, you can see here serving as resistance here, support here, and also resistance, support right here. So we have the price playing well. Okay, we have the price serving as both support and resistance. You can see how it served as support right here down. Okay, so I just have to switch to another time frame, maybe 1 hour time frame, for you to see that you can use this in any time frame, guys. That's one interesting part of this psychological level stuff. You can trade them in any time frame. Just put them and start trading. So, and another amazing thing about this psychological level is for beginners who find it difficult to draw support and resistance. Okay, for beginners who don't know how to picture or pick those swing highs, swing lows, or drawing the dynamic support and resistance, you can start with psychological level, because it's very easy for you to see the round numbers, pick them, and start making money. Okay, so this is it again. This is it here. You can see how it's still reacting and serving as resistance right here. So you can see this breakout because of the momentum. A lot of buyers serve as resistance right here. So the price keep reacting to these lines, and this is the kind of lines you'll be looking for. You can see those places serving as resistance. Okay, so if I switch to a lower time frame, to even like 15 minutes time frame, you will see that these particular lines always play out. Okay, so you always stop the price from pushing to the upside or downside depending on the price action at that zone. So as a beginner, once you draw this, you wait for reactions. Okay, if you come here, you can see a good price action right there. We can see our bearish candlestick pattern formed at that zone. So when you see a bearish candlestick pattern forming at the resistance zone or support zone, then you are good to go. Just confirm your entry in the lower time frame and enter, and catch those spikes down or up depending on what you are trading. Okay, so basically this is how to draw support and resistance. Okay, this is how to draw psychological levels. Remember, it also serves as support and resistance, so you can do it in any of the indices. You can even do it in currency pairs. You can do it in crypto, anything at all. So once financial market is concerned, psychological level is very, very vital and important. It plays a vital role, so you need to understand how to do this. Okay, so it helps you make your work easier and see some trade opportunity. Now, quick one, remember, psychological level, you don't use them in isolation. You don't just jump into trade because the price is at our psychological level. No, you still need to confirm if there is any reaction, any price action right there, or you need to use your indicator. This is the time now you apply some indicators, maybe moving average, or you want to check RSI, or you want to check divergence, anything at all. Then you start checking them, whether there is any consolidation there, is there any weak rejections, do you have candlestick pattern, do we have trading patterns, do we have head and shoulders, or we have maybe double top or double bottom, or M or W pattern, any one that you are using. So it is when the price is now at our like here, when the price is at our psychological level, that's where you start looking for those patterns. Okay, so it will make work more easier for you, and you don't just jump in because the price is there. Please pay attention to this. For the fact that the price is here at our psychological level, you don't just jump in to sell. You just have to wait for the price to react to the zone. You need to see some weak rejections. You need to see some consolidations. You need to see price reacting to the line, or you use your indicator to check. Okay, this is when you confirm your entry. So it is not just psychological level. You still need to combine them with other factors, okay, while doing your analysis, for you to be accurate, okay, in your analysis. So basically, this is how to draw psychological level, and this is actually how to use them. Okay, you can draw it in any of the indices. Okay, I don't really want to make this video that long, but remember, first you need to switch to a higher time frame, like daily time frame. Okay, Once you go to daily time frame, you'll be able to pick those levels easily. So after drawing on a daily time frame, you come down to 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame to see how they react and see some trade opportunity. Okay, so this is how to use this psychological level. This is how to draw them and how to apply them, guys. Remember, I have to say this again, that you don't trade them in isolation. You still need to see other price action, or you need to see price action at that zone, how the price reacts to the zone before you make entry. Okay, all right, this is it, guys. Please smash that like button for me. Please destroy that like button. If I've done anything wrong to you, I'm sorry. Please like this video. Okay, like this video, share this video, help this video to get to more people by liking and sharing this video, and I will be creating more videos like this. So if you have any question at all, as long as trading is concerned, leave the question in the comment section, and if it means creating a video, I'm going to create a video just because of your question. Okay, so if you have any question, go down to comment section now, then leave the comment. Also, if you don't have any question, you can just leave a comment. Tell me how you feel about this video. If you know about psychological level, or you're just hearing it for the first time, or you are about testing this psychological level out and see how it works, or you have been using it, just leave a comment there. Let me know how you feel about this particular video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Remember, if you want to join my mentorship program, it's on and going. Just chat me up. My number is in the description of this video. Just chat any of the number up on WhatsApp. No need of calling the number. Just chat, drop your message on WhatsApp. We are going to respond to your messages. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy.